So here we go again. As reported in today's Gleaner Sports, J3's president, Dr. Warren Blake, is bawling out for more financial support for Jamaica's developing track and field athletes. And all of this is in addition to the $19 million spent by the J3As on athletes' welfare as part of an overall $300 million plus expenditure by the J3As for the last fiscal year, in addition to the $60 million per year spent by the government for athletes' insurance scheme. On top of all of that now, the J3As boss is calling for the government to spend more taxpayers' money on supporting struggling athletes, and me no agree with it. Jamaica has a solid track and field structure. If the athletes are good enough, they will earn decent money from the sport. If they're young and promising enough, they will be picked up by one of the top local track and field clubs, or them get scholarships to colleges and universities, home or abroad. Any Jamaican athlete who cannot fit into any of those categories need to find something else to do. Jamaica is still a relatively poor country with limited resources, and we can't afford so much and no more of this kind of preferential treatment. Some of these aspiring athletes need to get back to reality and move on with them life. Hold on. Did you know that the Maverick was once a very promising footballer, and a very promising cricketer, and a most promising high jumper, and a promising boxer? But after a while, we realized that the promise not materializing. So I no longer try to play sports. I now talk sports, and I talk it at the highest level. Oh yes, you never hear me? At the highest level.